how you can tighten your MTB'S handlebar. And if your MTB'S handlebar is loose and if it is having bolts like in modern cycles, the modern cycles are having bolts of 5 mm or 4 mm or even 6 mm which are tightened by the Allen key. So that's what I will be telling you in this video. So be with me in this video. And if you want video on another topic like this, then do comment below in the section and tell me. And do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Bye till then. So you can see here are the bolts, one here and one right down here. These are the two bolts in my cycle. There can be two more, like two here and two right there. So what you have to do is just you have to tighten these bolts. Do anything to these bolts which are here. आपके जो स्टेम है उस पे जो दो बोल्ट्स हैं आपको इनको बिल्कुल भी नहीं छेड़ना है. इनको जैसे हैं उनको वैसे रहने देना है और इसको भी आपको बिल्कुल नहीं करना है. We just have to work on these bolts which are here. So without wasting any time, let's get going to need a Allen key like this, which I am having one. This is a 5 mm Allen key which will be used in my cycle bolts which are over here. Your cycle may not be compatible with this and you may have to use a 6 mm Allen key. So it's better you use a multi-tool. So first buy a multi-tool. Handlebar is really loose now. तो अगर आपका हैंडल बार भी ऐसे लूज है और अगर साइकिलिंग करते हुए एकदम से वैसे मुड़ रहा है तो आपको क्या करना है, आपका जो हैंडल बार है उसे करेक्टली पोजीशन करना है. और ये ऐसे देख सकते हैं आप, ऐसे बाहर भी आ सकता है. तो आपको पहले इसे करेक्टली पोजीशन करना है जैसे मैंने कर लिया है. करेक्टली पोजीशन करने के बाद अपने हैंड की पोजीशन देखनी है आपको. तब आपको लगे वो एकदम करेक्ट हो चुका है. उसके बाद आपको एलन की लेनी है और इसको सिंपली ऐसे टाइट कर देना है. आपको इसको प्रॉपरली टाइट कर देना है एकदम. एंड नाउ यू कैन सी द हैंडल बार इज नॉट मूविंग. मैं कितनी भी फोर्स लगा लूँ अब वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं हिलेगा. एंड यू विल गेट अ वेरी safe and comfortable ride after doing this. And it's the same if you also want to adjust your handlebar. Beginners should keep their hand position should be like this, where it should be straight. It should not be like this downwards because it will start to pain their hands as they are not used to cycling. If you want to adjust it, then again loosen your bolt. It's the same. After loosening the bolt, adjust it according to you. And after that, and don't forget to see this part also right here. आपको ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि आपका हैंडलबार किस साइड जा रहा है. अगर वो ज़्यादा आपके लेफ्ट की साइड जा रहा है तो उसे राइट की साइड करो. मीन्स उसे एकदम सेंटर में रखना है आपको. टाइट द बोल्ट. How you can tighten your handlebar, your loose handlebar. And if you want to adjust it, it's the same procedure. First what you have to do is take a Allen key. I would suggest that take a multi-tool and the links are in the description. You can check it out to buy online. What you have to do is just loosen the bolts of your cycle. If it is modern cycle, then only loosen the bolts of the handlebar and then adjust it according to your height, your comfort. So this was how you have to do it. If you liked the video and gotten help, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And you can also post a comment down below to give me suggestions on which type of video I have to make regarding cycle or any laptop or anything. So I will definitely make it for you. So bye till then.